What happens when someone dies in a hospital? It's a moment that can feel overwhelming, filled with uncertainty and emotion. While every situation is unique, hospitals follow a respectful and structured process to care for your loved one and support the family. From the official pronouncement of death to the first steps in making arrangements, understanding what happens next can bring a sense of clarity during a very difficult time. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site. In this video, we're going to walk you through what happens when a loved one passes away in a hospital, step by step, so you know what to expect during a very emotional and often confusing time. When a person passes away in a hospital, medical staff are typically present or nearby. A doctor or attending physician will officially pronounce the death. This means they confirm that all vital signs have stopped and record the exact time of death. Shortly after, nurses will begin what is called post-mortem care. This is done with dignity and respect. The body is gently cleaned, any medical equipment is removed, and the person is prepared in a peaceful and presentable state. At this time, the family is usually notified if they are not already present. Hospitals often allow family members time to be with their loved one after passing. This can be an important moment for saying goodbye, reflecting, or simply being present. Depending on hospital policy, this time can vary, but staff are generally very compassionate and will guide you through what to expect. If spiritual or religious support is needed, a chaplain or clergy member is often available. After the family has had time, the hospital staff will begin asking about next steps. One of the most important decisions is choosing a funeral home. If you already have a funeral home selected, the hospital will contact them on your behalf. If not, they may provide guidance, but the choice is always yours. The funeral home will then arrange transportation of your loved one from the hospital into their care. Once arrangements are confirmed, a licensed funeral service professional will come to the hospital to transfer the body. This process is handled with the utmost professionalism and respect. The body is carefully placed on a stretcher, covered appropriately, and transported discreetly. From here, your loved one is taken to the funeral home, where preparation for services begins. At the funeral home, the staff will begin the next phase of care. This may include embalming, refrigeration, or preparation for cremation, depending on your wishes. You'll also begin planning the funeral or memorial service. This includes selecting burial or cremation options, choosing service details, and creating meaningful items like funeral programs, memorial cards, or digital tributes. This is where personalization becomes important, honoring your loved one in a way that reflects their life. While this process can feel overwhelming, knowing what to expect can bring a sense of clarity during a difficult time. At the Funeral Program site, we're here to support you with resources, templates, and tools to help you create a beautiful and meaningful tribute. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need this information. Or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care, and bye for now.